Hey folks, this is Eric from Hochstrasser Electronics, and today we are going to look at repairing a Silvertone 1465 amp head. So these amps were made in the 1960s by Danelectro for the Silvertone company, which was the house brand of Sears and Roebuck. So it's pretty old, definitely needs to be recapped, and I'd like to put a grounded power cord on it. As with any repair, I'm going to clean the pots while I'm in there and just kind of check to make sure all the wires are in place and nothing's a fire hazard. Follow along, and I'm excited to hear how it sounds once we get it running again. Alright, so we've got this opened up. It was surprisingly easy to take apart. It only had about 4 screws. 2 of the screws on the bottom are wood screws, and the blocks that they screw into are cracked, so I'll need to glue those back together. A lot of capacitors in here to be replaced. These control boards look like they might be a little bit tough to get out, but we'll see. One of the things about it that's sort of cool, most amps that have spring reverb have reverb in the form of a tank. This has a cardboard tube that has, I assume, a couple of springs in it. It's got transducers on either end, and I'm hoping that's okay because I don't see that being a part that one could just buy a replacement for. So I'm going to fire up the soldering iron, and we'll see you on the other end. At it for a few days. I didn't have all the parts I needed when I started, so it took a little bit of time waiting for the mail, but we're ready to test it. I've got an Electro Harmonix 360 looper here that's got some stuff playing back on it. So I'm going to turn the amp on. I'm going to turn my variac on with the voltage all the way down, and we're going to slowly bring it up. There's no smoke yet, so that's good. Alright, so we're at full line voltage there, and channel 1 sounds pretty good. Alright, thanks for stopping by and following along with the repair of this old Silvertone. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hochstrasser Electronics. Feel free to like and subscribe if you're into this sort of thing, and we'll see you soon.